Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin. First, a little bit of theory. Whenever you press either of the volume buttons, you are by default increasing the media volume. We can click on this, or we can't because this phone almost works. So now whenever it appears at the first time, we can click this icon here, and as you can see, we are now in the sounds and vibration. We can click show more, and this music, videos, games is what we change by default. And as you can see here, we have the sound of the calls themselves. So if you have something like this, then your call will be very, and by very I mean very not loud. It will be so quiet that you can barely hear anything. So what you want to do is you want to increase this bar here. What's even better, by default, when you press the volume buttons, you are indeed increasing the media. However, while you are on a call, you are increasing the call volume instead. So you can do that while on call, whenever you want to, and whenever you need to. However, if you already done that and it's not helping, you want to make sure that you have no Bluetooth device connected. And in order to rule out all the Bluetooth devices, you simply need to press Bluetooth icon. This way, no matter what you could have connected, it won't be connected no more. Because, by default, whenever you have, for example, Bluetooth headphones, the headphones are actually receiving the calls and they are playing the sounds, they are using its microphone, etc., not your phone. So what you want to do, you want to remove it, so your phone is now receiving calls once again. And lastly, if it's still not working, then probably it is some sort of bug. You could go into settings, scroll the way down, go to system and updates, software update, and simply check for update, because maybe they had released some sort of new bug fix. And if it's still not helping, I would also advise you to simply restart your device. You can do that by pressing and holding power button and volume down button for about 10 seconds. So this will perform and take a screenshot, you don't have to worry about that. You want to keep pressing for about now, and now our phone will restart. I know that this may sound kind of silly, but whenever you are restarting your device, you are not only restarting the software but hardware as well, including speakers, microphone, and basically systems that are responsible for calls management. So a nice little reboot should make them work again. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.